Hi and welcome to MOY 1020 with myself, Marcus Ridge, and today's guest, Michael Baggs of ARC MC. Who is Michael Baggs and ARC MC?
Hi Marcus, so I'm a design manager at ARC MC. We're an architecture firm that specialise in data centre and mission critical design. We also have our own in-house structures and BIM departments.
Why is it important to engage with an architect that understands mission critical buildings?
Well, as you know, data centre buildings are incredibly complex, so it's important to get an architect that understands mission critical infrastructure and can provide a design that completely facilitates these while working with a wider design team.
What effects has a move to non-combustible insulation had on design?
Well, clients are now far more aware of regulations, which is obviously a good thing. So really the only update that it's had on us is during product selection, just making sure that everything's fully tested and certified up to the current regulations.
With COP26 happening this week and a focus on carbon reduction, what can engaging with a good architect offer in terms of sustainability?
ARC MC has always had sustainability as a key focus, becoming members of the UK Green Building Council several years ago. Within data centre design, key areas would be material selection and then the use of recovered heat waste for within the facility and surrounding buildings.
What challenges and changes do you foresee in the construction of mission critical buildings?
So the big talking points at the moment are in certain markets are power availability from the grid and also obviously the supply chain availability post-pandemic. There's also obviously, as we've mentioned, a big push to reduce carbon within design, so that will be something that affects design a fair bit moving forward.
What is the importance of building information modelling within the mission critical environment?
BIM is hugely important both in the design phase and construction phase. Firstly, so you can provide a workable concept, and then through the construction phase find any issues within the model first before they become an issue on site. And then throughout the lifetime of the building, asset data that's attached to the model is hugely important for the facilities management of the building.
How can architects help with supply chain concerns?
For mission critical facilities, it's important to get supply chain advice as early as possible within the process, and also due to the speed of construction, we help by engaging as early as possible with the supply chain to ensure availability.
Why do you think it's important to engage with manufacturers?
Manufacturers are specialists in their field, so they naturally have a knowledge that we as architects can't have on every product. So whether it's product specification or specific details that we're after, it's always important to get that specialist information as early as possible.
Now, my favourite question, what is your favourite cheese?
I love a classic cheddar, but I'd say if I was to treat myself, I'd go for a baked camembert.
So what's next for Michael and ARC MC?
So personally, I'm working on a lot of our projects over in Ireland at the moment, so I'm looking forward to getting out there a lot more post-pandemic. And then from a company's perspective, we're looking to build on our expansion over the last couple of years, not just in our London office, but also in our offices in Manila, Singapore and Dubai.
I'd like to thank Michael for being my guest today on the MOY 1020. I hope everyone enjoyed it. I look forward to catching up with you all for the next episode in December.